Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Stash Stock Back account, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Stash Stock Back account, begin by opening the Stash app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. On the home screen, look for the account settings option, typically represented by a gear icon. Tap on the gear icon to access your account settings. Scroll down to find the section labeled Manage Account. Select Manage Account to view more options. In this section, locate the Cancel Stock Back Account option. Tap on the option to proceed with the cancellation process. You will be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel. Carefully read any information provided regarding what happens when you cancel. If you are sure about your decision, confirm the cancellation. After confirmation, you should receive a notification or email confirming that your Stock Back account has been successfully canceled. Make sure to check your email for any further instructions or details regarding your cancellation. Once you have canceled the account, it's a good idea to review your Stash account for any leftover balances or pending transactions. If you encounter any issues during the cancellation process, don't hesitate to reach out to Stash customer support for assistance. They will provide you guidance and help resolve any problems you may face. Finally, remember to monitor your account for a few days to ensure everything has been processed correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.